Hey guys, happy Friday. Andrew Worley here, your local realtor and expert in all things real estate and finance related. Just want to talk to you guys a little bit about collection accounts and how that could derail the mortgage loan process and how they are viewed differently depending on the loan program. So, starting with FHA, FHA does not like when you have collection accounts exceeding a $2,000 cumulative balance. Anything above $2,000, they will hit you for 5% of the balance as a monthly payment for qualifying. What can you do about this? Well, you can contact your creditors to see if you can pay the balance off. And most times they are willing to accept to pay off a fraction of what you owe. The other thing you can do is just hope that with the 5% of the balance included as a monthly payment, you can still qualify for the loan. Now let's talk about disputed accounts. Disputed accounts over $1,000 balance are viewed very bad by FHA, and they require that the loan be manually downgraded. And in most cases, that means that borrowers won't qualify because a manual downgrade requires a lot more stringent requirements. So the best thing to do is to take those collection accounts out of dispute before your lender runs your credit report. For Fannie Mae, they don't really care if collections are existing on your credit report or if they're disputed. What they will do is just include them in its analysis. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac both have complex algorithms, and they evaluate your credit, asset, income, and other factors to evaluate whether a borrower is an acceptable credit risk. And so they'll just take all those into consideration and either issue an approval or not. And in some cases, if there's disputed collections on your credit report, they will go ahead and say that you have to remove the dispute and then rerun the underwriting with the dispute removed. And sometimes they'll go ahead and approve you, other times they won't. But there's ways to get around that. You can have additional reserves or bank assets that you provide to the lender to sort of balance out the disputed collection accounts. Or there's a number of other things that you can do, and I can help you with those questions if those circumstances apply to you. So that's a brief overview of collection and disputed collection accounts and how they're viewed for FHA or Fannie Mae loans. I did forget to mention that medical collections are generally disregarded entirely by FHA and Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loans. So you don't have to worry about medical collections. They're already included in your FICO score, and unfortunately you have to deal with that impact. But generally there are no underwriting requirements related to medical collection. So I hope this information has been useful to you. I hope you have a great Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message using the information below, or go and give me a phone call, 626-675-9182. Have a great day. Bye.